Namaskaram. This is Vaidyanathan, the host of this podcast, Sanskritam on the Move, welcoming you to this next episode. Swagatam. First person, action or verbs. In this episode, we will look at action sentences of first person, that is, actions done by us. So let's get started. First person, singular. I read a book.
Aham pustakam pathami. Aham pustakam pathami.
I write the homework.
Aham grihapatham likhami. Aham grihapatham likhami.
I go to the temple.
Aham mandiram gacchami. Aham mandiram gacchami.
I come home.
Aham griham agacchami. Aham griham agacchami.
I tell the verse.
Aham shlokam vadami. Aham shlokam vadami.
I play.
Aham kridami. Aham kridami.
I sit.
Aham upavishami. Aham upavishami.
I get up.
Aham uttisthami. Aham uttisthami.
I laugh.
Aham hasami. Aham hasami.
I stand.
Aham tisthami. Aham tisthami.
I drink water.
Aham jalam pibami. Aham jalam pibami.
I eat food.
Aham bhojanam khadami. Aham bhojanam khadami.
First person, plural. We read the book.
Vayam pustakam pathamaha. Vayam pustakam pathamaha.
We write math.
Vayam ganitam likhamaha. Vayam ganitam likhamaha.
We eat the food.
Vayam bhojanam khadamaha. Vayam bhojanam khadamaha.
We drink the fruit juice.
Vayam phalarasam pibamaha. Vayam phalarasam pibamaha.
We speak Sanskritam.
Vayam samskritam vadamaha. Vayam samskritam vadamaha.
We go home.
Vayam griham gacchamaha. Vayam griham gacchamaha.
We see the teacher.
Vayam adhyapakam pashyamaha. Vayam adhyapakam pashyamaha.
We come to the temple.
Vayam mandiram agacchamaha. Vayam mandiram agacchamaha.
We laugh.
Vayam hasamaha. Vayam hasamaha.
We get up.
Vayam uttisthamaha. Vayam uttisthamaha.
We stand.
Vayam tisthamaha. Vayam tisthamaha.
We sit.
Vayam upavishamaha. Vayam upavishamaha.
That's it for this episode. Please share this with others so that they can also enjoy and benefit out of this. With that request, Dhanyavadaha and Punarmilamaha.